Every day, millions of cars move because of one powerful industry, the oil refinery. Welcome to the giant oil factories. It is here, amidst this maze of steel and pipe, that crude oil is transformed into the fuel.
Crude oil travels across oceans inside gigantic tanker ships.
Deep beneath the earth, giant drilling machines extract black crude oil. After extraction, pipelines transport the crude oil to giant factories called refineries.
All right, bill of lading and manifest check out. Seal intact? Yes, sir. Okay, you're cleared. Proceed slowly.
Before processing begins, the crude oil is stored inside giant tanks. The first step is cleaning. Water, salt, and dirt are removed from the oil. This protects the expensive refinery machines from damage. Engineers carefully monitor every stage using advanced technology. Next, the crude oil is heated to extremely high temperatures. The oil becomes hot vapor as it moves through giant steel pipes.
Then it enters the heart of the refinery, the distillation tower. Inside the tower, different fuels separate at different temperatures. Lighter products like petrol rise to the top. Heavier fuels like diesel stay in the middle. The heaviest oils settle at the bottom. Special cracking machines break heavy oil into lighter fuels like petrol.
This process increases fuel production for millions of vehicles.
After processing, the fuel becomes cleaner and more powerful. Oil refineries produce many important products.
Jet fuel powers airplanes across the world.
Petrol and diesel keep cities moving day and night.
Even plastic products begin their journey inside oil refineries. Safety is one of the most important parts of every refinery. Workers inspect every machine to prevent accidents. Special flare towers safely burn extra gases.
Oil refineries support industries all around the world. Without fuel, transportation and industries would stop. Modern life depends heavily on energy from oil. From deep underground to powerful engines, this is the incredible journey of crude oil.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more amazing factory videos.